In this video, we're diving into how to set up webhooks in Outgrow and show you exactly how you can make the most out of this feature to automate your workflows and integrations. Whether you're using Outgrow for lead generation, quizzes, or surveys, webhooks can be a powerful tool to take your results even further, and I'll guide you through the process in just a few minutes. Before we get started, I want to let you know that you can access Outgrow completely free through the first link below, along with some exclusive bonuses you won't want to miss. So, if you're ready to unlock the full potential of Outgrow, keep watching. Webhooks in Outgrow allow you to send real-time data from your forms, quizzes, or calculators directly to another app or service. This can help automate follow-ups, sync data across platforms, and streamline your entire process. The beauty of webhooks is that they help you connect Outgrow with other tools, like your CRM, email marketing software, or even custom dashboards, with just a few simple steps. To get started, you'll first need to create a new Outgrow campaign. Whether it's a quiz, form, or calculator, just click on the campaign you're working on or create a new one from scratch. Once your campaign is ready, head over to the Integrations tab on the left side of your dashboard. From there, you'll see a list of different integrations that Outgrow supports. What we're focusing on here is the webhooks section. Now, click on the Add Webhook button. You'll be prompted to enter the URL where you want the data to be sent. This could be your custom endpoint or an API endpoint from a third-party app. For example, if you're sending data to your CRM, you'd use the CRM's webhook URL here. Once you enter the URL, Outgrow will ask you to select which form data or user responses you want to send. You can select individual fields like names, emails, or scores from a quiz. Make sure to choose the data points that are most relevant to your workflow. After you've set everything up, Outgrow will send a test webhook to the endpoint to ensure it's working correctly. This is a key step because it helps you confirm that the integration is functioning properly before you go live. Once you've confirmed everything is working with the test data, simply hit Save and your webhook will be active. From now on, every time someone completes the campaign, the data you selected will be automatically sent to the connected endpoint in real time. This is where the magic happens. It's fully automated and you don't have to lift a finger. If you want to fine-tune your webhook setup, Outgrow gives you the option to include additional headers or parameters in the request, which is helpful for more advanced integrations. You can also review the webhook history to check if the data is being sent properly and troubleshoot any potential issues. And just like that, you've set up webhooks in Outgrow. With this feature, you're able to automate your lead generation processes, send leads directly to your CRM, or even trigger email sequences, saving you time and effort. Don't forget that you can start using Outgrow for free right now through the first link below, and you'll also get access to exclusive bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. To wrap up, setting up webhooks in Outgrow is a game changer for anyone looking to automate their workflows and integrate with other apps. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this is a feature you won't want to miss out on. Thanks for watching, and remember to take full advantage of your extended free trial to Outgrow using the link below.